Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, where I'm going to show you exactly how to create gorgeous printable wall art using Canva, and how you can get your digital creations ready to list and sell on Etsy. By the end of this video, whether you're a total beginner or you've dabbled before, you'll know how to turn your ideas into beautiful, ready-to-download wall art that other people can enjoy in their homes. Let's get right into it. First, we need to hop over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's an incredibly user-friendly design tool that's perfect for this project. No fancy design degree required. Just head to Canva.com and log in or sign up if you're new. Once you're inside, look for the button that says Create a Design at the top right of the dashboard. Give that a click. This is where the magic starts. Now in the search bar that pops up, type in Art. This part is important because Canva will show you a whole range of templates and layouts specifically tailored for different kinds of art prints. Think of this search bar like your art gallery guide. Typing art saves you from scrolling through pages of irrelevant templates. If you already have a vision in mind, you can also try variations like wall art or poster to see what best fits your style. Scan through the templates that appear. There's a huge variety, from modern minimal to boho chic to bold and colorful. Pick one that catches your eye, but don't stress about choosing the perfect one on your first try. Templates are just a starting point. When you found something close to your vision, select it and Canva will open up the template in a new editing window. Now comes the really fun part, editing your design. This is where you get to put your personal stamp on things. Start by swapping out any sample text for your own message or quote, and play around with font styles and colors until it feels right. Maybe you want to add an inspiring quote, a family name, or just play with abstract shapes and colors. Think about how this art will look hanging on someone's wall and trust your instincts here. It's okay if you spend a little extra time exploring different fonts and color combos. Sometimes that's how the best ideas unfold. Once you're happy with your basic design, it's time to add a few extra elements to make your print really pop. Click on the Elements tab in Canva's sidebar. This is like rummaging through a huge box of art supplies. You'll find illustrations, graphics, shapes, even textured backgrounds. Try incorporating a few to complement your design, maybe some leafy greenery for a botanical look, or bold geometric shapes for a modern vibe. Pause for a moment and try layering a few different elements together. Sometimes surprising combinations create the most unique art. As you go, keep in mind that your art should not only look good on a screen, but also when printed out and framed on a wall. Think about basic principles like balance, white space, and color harmony. If something feels a bit off, try adjusting it until it feels just right. If you're unsure, it can help to step away for a minute and come back with fresh eyes. When your design is looking fantastic and you're happy with every detail, it's time to save and export your file. For Etsy wall art, you'll want to save your design as a high-resolution PDF or JPG. Canva makes this super easy. Just click Download at the top and select your preferred file type. Now you've got a beautiful digital file all ready to upload to your Etsy store, and that's it. In just a few steps, you've created stunning digital wall art completely customized by you and ready for customers to enjoy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Canva project you'd like to see in the future. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials. I'm here to help you make the most out of your digital designs. Thanks for watching and happy creating.